Hello guys, my name is Harit Patwa. Today I'm going to show you how to create CICD pipeline for the Advanced Software Development Concepts subject. You might be facing some difficulties while creating the pipeline because the instructions were not clear, and I have also faced the difficulties while creating CICD pipeline. So let's just get started. And yeah, for the ASP's final year project, your group will be allotted one repository, but you can follow the same steps which I followed for the individual repository, which I am going to create right now, and you can just follow those steps and create the CICD pipeline for the entire group. So let me just start it. So let's just first create a repository. Example 2 seems right. Yeah, everything is correct and initialize with readme. Yeah, it seems right. So I will get the example 2 repository. There is nothing special here. Yeah, this is it, and let me just clone it for my local device. So let's just open IntelliJ first. Yeah, for this you need to create new project, right? So just click on new project and choose the Maven build. You can either choose Gradle as well, but I would suggest for your entire project just go for Maven because it has so many dependencies and you can find it very easily and you can resolve it. So just click here and go here, quick start, and that's it. And after that, IDE projects, you should name it something. Yeah, example 2 slash, yeah, that seems fine. Yeah, so everything is correct, so just let me click next and finish. This will take some time. As you can see, Maven build is running. You will soon you will find the source folder. Yeah, source folder is here, and there should be one app. Yeah, you can rename it with the application which you are going to develop. We were creating console application, so we just renamed it according to our console app's name. Yeah, hello world, it is just a basic. Let me just run and show you how it's working. I think it's building still. Yeah, it's working. So what you have to do is just open this in the Explorer, and yeah, you are inside the directory. I'm using Windows 10, so okay. So first, what you need to do is open git bash here. You can clone it here as well. Yeah, let's just clone it here so that you don't get confused. So yeah, what I'll do is git clone, and I'll just copy paste the URL. This is it. This will not take more than 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's fine now. Yeah, so let's just open the example 2 and you will find example 2 here. What you have to do is you just need to cut paste this part, Ctrl X and just Ctrl V. So git directory will be pasted here, and after that you need to delete this example 2. Yeah, everything is fine. Now initially you can see there is nothing, there is only readme file, and now it is having multiple files. So what I'll do is I'll just git add star, and after adding all of the files, what I'll do, I'll just have some commit message, git commit -m. I'll just say second commit. Yeah, hello world. Yeah, that's it, and then I'll just push it. Push. I think everything will be pushed here, and as you can see in the master branch, if I refresh it right now, you will find the files which I just pushed 14 seconds ago. After you set up the quick setup maven, yeah, this form.xml, yeah, you don't need to do anything. You just choose the quick setup in the beginning while choosing the project type. Yeah, that's it, and everything is sorted now. So what you have to do is, now you have to integrate this repository to the this repository to have CICD pipeline here. So first of all, you need Timberlea account, right? So I think you guys know how to set up your Timberlea account, so I'll not show it to you. I'll just open mine and complete the remaining process. So yeah, and after that you need to enter the password. Make sure you don't make any mistake while entering. Oh shit, I think I'll make mistake. Okay, alright. Yeah, you will be successfully logged into your Timberlea account. After that, you need to follow these steps, but there are some mistakes in these steps, so I'll run by this. I have created these steps and you can follow these steps as well. So what you have to do is, first of all, you need to create I'll just show it to you what they are doing. I already have this folder, so I will be not creating this folder, so please note this. So I will be creating this folder. So first of all, copy this command, and I will put this notepad file in the description so that you guys can use it. After this command, I just need to create the directory. Yeah, so this will create the directory. Just note that it is test, and in our main project we need to create this folder rather than this folder which I created. After that, what you need to do is, you need to run this command. Don't worry about commands, I will put this notepad file. Yeah, just run it. Enter the passphrase, so I'm keeping it empty. Yeah, you can do the same, right? And after this will create the SH256 for our build test, and this is, yeah, it will also create the key gun as well. Yeah, and after this, run this command and just copy and run this command. Yeah, after running those two commands, let's just see what we have to do next. Yeah, after that we need to edit the SSH inside the SSH folder authorized keys. So let's just go inside the .ssh. Yeah, inside that, what I need to do is, there should be a file called authorized keys. So I'll just type nano and then I'll enter the authorized AU and then tab. Yeah, so it will automatically type it for me. Yeah, after enter, and you will find this file. So this is the file. What they are saying is, you need to paste this command, but this command is corrupted. So I will give you this command. Just copy this command and it will work fine. Let me just copy it. That is some mistake. Space character is having some problems, so that command won't work. Yeah, just enter and Control V. Yeah, just click right. Right. Yeah, after that, there should be a space. Yeah, space, and then you need to exit from here. Control X. Just press Control X. Save the modified file. Yeah, yes, and then enter. Yeah, you should be out of the authorized key file now. After this, what you have to do is, you need to add this in your CICD runners, and we will do this step, but first of all we need key, right? So for the key, what we will do is, we will just copy this command and we will paste it here. Yeah. it should get us the key. Yeah. This is the key. Just copy it. Yeah, from this part to this part. Make sure you select the entire last row. Control C, and after copying it, just paste it here. Yeah. You will be needing it, right? So after this, what you have to do is you need to visit the repository and go to the settings and then CICD, and after this you need to set the variables, right? So first of all, let me set the variables. So the first variable was deploy SSH key. I'll just copy it and I'll show you what you have to do. Deploy SSH key, and after this, the key value, it is this one. Control C. Where is? Sorry, yeah, it's here. Yeah, it's fine. If you have one more space, yeah, it is fine. And just use file and type as a file for SSH key. Deploy SSH key. Make sure you enter correct spelling, otherwise it will not be working perfectly. Just add variable. After adding the first variable, you need to add remaining 3 variables as well. Deploy host. Control C. Deploy host, and the value should be yeah, and it should be CA, not cat. Okay, yeah, CA, and yeah, let me just check it. Yeah, it's CA, so make sure you enter CA, right? After that, it is the variable type, right? So variable, everything should be alright. Yeah. And after this, you need to add the user. So I'll just add it, and username is PUTTY. It's my username, right? So yeah, it should be, I can show it to you. It should be the same, yeah, this one. Deploy user, and PUTTY, yeah, everything is fine. So I'll do nothing. And the last thing is deploy directory. Guys, make sure it is the same one which is you created initially, right? Deploy directory, and I'll just copy the what you guys have to do is there should be no space, yeah, before the text, yeah, and after the text. Everything seems correct to me. Let me just, yeah, it is everything is added, I guess. Host name, yeah, no, there is no space before, and there is no space, and there is no space after. Directory is clear, user is also, yeah, everything is clear. So yeah, everything is perfect now. I have added the variables for CICD pipeline. Now let's just move to the master branch. Yeah, it is the master branch and it is the only branch. First, you need to create another branch as well. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the IntelliJ and I will create another branch. Yeah. So what I do is git checkout -d branch should be anything. So we are following the Atlas model, right? So we need develop branch. Let me see. Yeah. We are following git flow, right? So you need to create develop branch as well. So main branch is the master branch, and another one is develop branch. So, and for each feature you will be creating a separate branch. So, and after you complete the feature, you will be pushing it to the develop branch, right? So for this purpose, we will create the develop branch right now. Okay, let's just create the develop branch. You can follow the same steps for your group repository as well. Develop, and yeah, and git checkout -b develop. Yeah, this is the right. After creating it, what you can do is you can push it to the main repository. Let me just push it. But it will show an error, and I'll just copy this command and I'll just paste it here. So it will automatically create develop branch for me. Yeah, let me just see. It should be right? I think I need to refresh it. You will find another branch. Yeah, this is the develop. It is the same as the master one. Right now there is nothing. There is only source, and inside the source there is one app.java, and it's just a basic hello world program. There is nothing special in it. What I'll do next is let's just see. After creating, we need to create the YML file. So I have the YML file created here. So I'll just put it, and I will give you this notepad file as well. So what you have to do is you need to create a file named this GitLab. Exactly. Copy the name exactly. GitLab-ci.yml. So after this, just go here and just check that you are in the develop branch or not. Git status. I'll just reconfirm it for you guys. Yeah, don't worry about this. This will change every time. Yeah, so it doesn't make any difference. So we are on the development. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new file, and the name should be this one exactly, .gitlab-ci.yml. so I'll just copy it so that I don't make any mistake, and just I'll paste it here. After this I'll press enter, and the file will be created, and you can do add for each file. So after adding it, what I'll do is I'll just copy I'll copy this content. Don't worry, I'll give this content to you guys. And Control V, paste it here, and make sure that so what I'll do is I'll just push this GitLab.yml file to my develop branch, and you guys will be done. But yeah, make sure you add correct target, right? My project's name is example2, so I have given the name as example2 reports. You can give according to your console application. Yeah, so just change this part, and the rest of the stages are correct. First one is build, second one is test, and third one is deploy. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, right now let me open the Timberlea so you guys can understand what is happening in background as well. So right now this is the visual representation of our server, Timberlea server, right? And if you open this right now, that is nothing because we haven't deployed it on the Timberlea server. So now what I'll do is after pasting the content and changing the name, I'll just push it, and you guys will see the magic. Get comment -l. I'll just what will be added CI/CD. It should be capital. And then just push it. Hit push. After pushing it to the develop branch, let's just open the develop branch here. I'll just refresh it. That is the master branch. Let me open the develop branch. You will see the pipeline here. As you can see, pipeline is running here because I've added the file. And let's just see the phases. First one, the build stage. It is fast. You can open it, and it will complete the build, because if you have followed my steps and you have chosen the quick start build of the Maven, then I don't think it will create any issue. Next one is test stage, but I think we haven't added any tests, so it will show no files to upload, but you can add it on the later on stage. Whenever you create some feature and some tests will be developed, and if you find if the test case fails, and then the pipeline will break and you will find the notification. And the last is deploy develop. So this is it, and if you and now if you open your Timberlea's, initially it was empty, but right now you will find the zip file, which is your Java application, which was converted into zip, and it has been deployed here. And this is how the whole CI/CD works. And now let me just make some small mistakes so that you guys can understand it better. So I'll just add href here, and if I push this, get extra, get push, get commit. Yeah, first of all I need to commit. Get commit here, and then updated. Solve the bug, like that. Suppose you solved the bug, and yeah, and after that, yeah, and after this, you just push. Wait, I want to show it to you simultaneously. So just go to the in the develop branch. And yeah, the pipeline is 2 minutes ago, right? And if I press enter, I'm just pushing it, yeah. And after the push, yeah, 1 minute, I think it's pushing. Let me just refresh it. I think there was some problem, so let me push it again. Get push. Yeah, this time it pushed. So as you can see now, if I refresh it, it will start building. It happens so fast, so sometimes you don't. I mean, you miss everything. So yeah, it is on the build stage. After that, it should be on the test stage was already passed, and now last stage is deploy stage. And if you refresh it, I think everything is passed. And if you open this, and now if you refresh it, you will find another deployment. Yeah, so that's how the CI/CD pipeline works. And if I have some problem here in the syntax, let me just make some. At this time the build will fail, and if I push this code, and yeah, let me just push this code. Start with commit, and then pushing buggy code. Get push. After you keep pushing, you refresh it now. Pipeline will fail probably because the build should be failing, right? So yeah, if the build fails, you will get the notification. Example 2, right now, as you can see. So you got the I mean, every group member of your project will get the same notification like build has been failed. And if you solve the bug, let me just solve it, and if I push it right now, let us start it to this comment. This time the build will be, pipeline will be automatically resolved. As you can see, 29 seconds ago pipeline has been working and build has passed and everything passed. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you find it useful, you can follow me on LinkedIn as well. I can help you in your studies as well. I mean, if you want to, if you are facing any difficulties selecting the subject. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.